Welcome. If you want to give another admin the ability to add users to your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, managing admin permissions is easier than ever. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get it done quickly and securely. First, open your web browser and go to the official Telegram web page. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, find the group where you have admin rights. Only admins can manage these settings, so make sure you have the necessary permissions. Next, open the group chat. At the top of the chat window, click on the group's name. This will bring up the group's information page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Look for the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol, and click on it. This will take you into the group's editing menu, where you can adjust various settings and permissions. Now, navigate to the Administrators section. Here you'll see a list of all the current admins in your group. Find the admin you want to grant the ability to add users. Click on their name to open their Admin Rights menu. You'll see a list of permissions that you can toggle on or off for this admin. Look for the option labeled Add Users. Enable this permission by clicking the switch next to it. This gives the selected admin the ability to invite new members to your group. Once you've enabled Add Users, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. The selected admin now has the power to add new users to your group, making it easier to grow your community or manage large conversations. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can customize admin roles and keep your Telegram group running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of Telegram Web.